Do you still feel it? Are you feel it? Are you feeling there, Mommy?
What do you mean, are you feeling?
Can't you see your feelings?
Come here. Don't go there. There's parking.
Here,
There's
are you
not a slide.
feeling?
Come here.
Are you feeling it there, Cat?
Yeah, it's gonna get. That's going
Hi, Cat.
Hey, Cat, are you feeling it? Are you feeling there, Cat?
Here, you hold the cat. Come here.
Are you feeling? Are you feeling?
What do you mean, are you feeling?
Feel it? You feel it there, Cat? She feels that the cat there, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
You
The
feel
cat.
it?
Mm-hmm.
She has
Beautiful. Whoa!
oh.
You're so funny.
Alright,
What's wrong with you? Tanya. What's wrong with you?
Are you feeling there, Cat? Are you feeling there, Cat? She feel it. Can I feel it there? Can I feel it there, Daddy?
Yeah, go touch the cat, Gabriel.
Just feel it.
And the cat is grooming himself.
The cat is feeling.
No, you might fall the stairs.
Say hi, cat.
Hi, Cat.
Say bye, cat.
There's the stairs.
And not the poo in the pants. And not the potty.
Yeah?
The poo in the... No.
See you later, cat.